Friends, welcome to day 3 of a week to better sleep. I invite you to join me on your mat in child's pose to begin. Our legs tucked under us, hips back over our feet, and arms extended overhead. If you feel this posture is challenging for you and not restful, feel free to prop a pillow between your legs, or maybe under behind the backs of your knees. Whatever it takes to make this a truly restful pose for you tonight. We're told in Scripture, "Be still and know that I am God." Tonight we're going to turn this into our breath prayer, which simply means we're going to breathe this with every breath. So on our inhale, breathing in stillness and the words "be still." And as we exhale, "and know that I am God." Inhaling, "be still." Exhale, "know that I am God." Continue on breathing this prayer at your own pace throughout our practice tonight. Let's walk our hands gently over to the left, feeling a stretch in our right side body. So often we complicate things, and really when we get back to the simplicity of it, we just are invited to be still and exist and let God be God, in charge and in control. Let's walk our hands over to the right side now, feeling a nice stretch along our left side body. Tonight, as you breathe in, be still, and exhale and know that I am God. Let yourself, along with that, just release it all to God. Your worries, your anxieties. He created you right now to be still and to know that He is God. Slowly unfolding and coming up to a seated position, let's extend both legs out in front of us and forward fold over them. You can, of course, bend your knees, or you can even prop a pillow under them. And while you're here, inhale stillness and exhale knowing that God is in control. Be still and know that I am God. Rolling up, let's come back to our backs now. Our feet planted, hip width apart, so our knees are facing the ceiling. And then slowly lift our hips up. Perhaps take a pillow or two and prop them underneath, so you're in bridge. And if you don't have a pillow, you're welcome to just keep your hips raised as well. Once more, inhaling, be still. Exhaling, and know that I am God. If you were in a supported bridge with pillows under your hips, go ahead and remove them gently. Lower your hips to the mat. And now let's walk our feet together. And then let our knees fall to either side, bringing the soles of our feet together. In this posture, you don't need to press your knees towards the mat. Simply let them hover where they are. And as you breathe, release your muscles and let gravity do the work for you. Inhaling, be still. Exhale, know that I am God. Drawing our knees back together, facing the ceiling, let's bring them in for a hug. You're welcome to adjust, move, and then let's let them come down together towards the right for a spinal twist. Be still and know that I am God. And now let's come to the other side, bringing our knees up and over to the left side, keeping our arms extended out and turning our head perhaps over our right shoulder. Nothing to do except to be still and know that I am God. Untwisting now, knees back towards the ceiling. Let's extend our legs up. If you're near your bed, I invite you to prop them on your side of your bed. And if you're not, that's all right too. Perhaps just grab a strap or a belt, something that you can use to support your feet. Allow them to be up in the air. Again, releasing our tension. We're not having to work for anything in this class, just to be still. And now releasing our feet, our legs. Bring our feet down to our hands, knees tucked into either side of our torso for happy baby. Rocking from side to side as feels right for you today. And as you breathe, remembering God's words, be still and know that I am God. Releasing our feet, let's bring them down to the mat and then extend our legs out, allowing ourselves to come to our final resting position. You're welcome to remain here on your mat or to take a moment and get comfortable in your bed to rest there and then drift off to sleep. And as you're here, I'd like to pray this prayer over you from Thomas Merton. My Lord God, I have no idea where I am going. I do not see the road ahead of me. I cannot know for certain where it will end. Nor do I really know myself. And the fact that I think I am following your will does not mean that I am actually doing so. But I believe that the desire to please you does in fact please you. And I hope I have that desire in all that I am doing. I hope that I will never do anything apart from that desire. And I know that if I do this, you will lead me by the right road, though I may know nothing about it. Therefore, I will trust you always, though I may seem to be lost and in the shadow of death. I will not fear, for you are ever with me, and you will never leave me to face my perils alone. Amen. Thank you for joining me. Grace and peace.